Hey, I just wanted to touch base on protective styles and removing them. So I just took my hair out yesterday and I did not wash it yet. I just combed it out, detangled it, whatnot, and I put it in this ponytail. And I put it in this ponytail because my scalp is inflamed. And I know as soon as I get done washing it, I am going to have to detangle it again. So to save myself the pain of right now, because I'm extremely tender-headed, like extremely. I'm going to show how I had my hair previous, like before I took my hair out and somewhere up in here. But my scalp is inflamed, and I jumped on here to let you guys know, like, give your scalp a break. Do not go from one protective style to the next protective style, because guess what? You're inflaming your scalp. And this is all to my kinky, curly, 4C, curl, tight curls, loose curls women. Like, especially if you're tender-headed. Give yourself a break, because the stylist that you go to, you'll feel like a lot of girls will be like, oh, she hurt me. It's like your scalp is already inflamed because you have taken your hair down the day before and then now you're trying to get it styled. I have so many clients that come, and I always advise them to take your protective style out, give it a break. And I know that it's hard, especially if you don't know how to do your hair. Your hair may not be the length that you want it to be. You don't really like your natural hair, or it's not professional in your work environment or whatnot. So if that's the case, take it out on Friday and get it styled maybe on a Monday. Or take it out on Thursday and maybe get it installed on Sunday. Or take it out on Wednesday and then have an appointment on Saturday, because that way your hair get a break. You don't have to be like me and take your hair out and then let it breathe for a couple of days. You can take your extensions out, go wash your hair, blow dry it, or whatever way, stretch your hair, however you manage your hair prior to your appointment. If your braider or your hairstylist do not wash, or if you're even doing your own hair, give your hair a break, but give yourself some time before you go into another style, because it helps calm that scalp down. Massage your scalp, oil your scalp, moisturize your hair, do all those things before getting it styled, because that is I always tell my clients, my job is to style you. It's not to put you into any pain. And I know, they always say pain is beauty. And yes, it may feel a little tight, for the first couple of days after you get, your protective style, the braids or whatever. But after that, it shouldn't, because, your scalp, it swells up when you get it braided. Like, because I've been, detangling it and I'm braiding it, and it's a lot. So my advice is to give your scalp a break. Put you on a headband wig. Do a couple, put on a hat. If your hair's long enough, slick it in a ponytail. If your hair is short, get a wig. Get you a half wig, headband wig, something. And just put it on your hair. Like, have somebody braid, or do a couple Sealy braids. You know what I'm talking about? Them individual, that's what I do. Stretch the hair out. And let it breathe. That's all I'm saying. So I just took my hair out yesterday, and I'll probably wash it tomorrow, because let me tell you something. I got a lot to do today, and I'm in a lot of pain. Like, I'm in a lot of pain. Like, this ponytail is killing me, okay? But it's going to have to do. It's going to have to do. And then I'm going to wash it, and then I'm probably going to give it another break, because I'm trying to decide the hairstyle anyway, but I'm going to do my hair most likely. And yeah. That's just the thing. So I just wanted to pop on here and give y'all a little hair talking Thursday from me. And y'all have a good day. I hope this helps. Bye.